Which is the idea that inspired you to Pride of Islam?
Okay, actually it was my mom. Because we had this problem that in the living space there are no perfect light object which suits to every situation, every action in the space. So usually need some table lamp, wall lamp, a ceiling lamp, and they all have wires and they all need a connection to electricity. So I decided to make one object with one contact but many light sources like this one. So it's you can change the distance between it, and you can change the positions and height and everything else. You can make it as you want.
What do you think about Salone Satellite?
Oh, I think it's a great opportunity to new designers prove themselves. So I think it's excellent.